Hi, I'm Erin with OnlineLabels.com, and today we're going to cover how to foil sticker paper and other materials. Are you looking to add extra shine to your sticker paper projects? Foiling is a fast-growing trend in the DIY industry that involves adding a shiny metallic foil paper to your existing stickers and labels. The only things you need for this project are a foil applicator or laminator, a laser printer, some sticker sheets, and your destination surface. For this tutorial, we're using the Heidi Swap Minc applicator. Any other laminator will do, though heat settings may vary. Wondering how it works? Laminators work by heating up the toner on your sticker paper so that it can bond with the foil on top. This creates a shiny surface that you can't get from normal printing. Foiling can be used with any laser printable material. We found it works best with white gloss, weatherproof polyester, blockout, clear matte, clear gloss, weatherproof silver polyester, and cardstock. Foiling can be used for a number of projects, but we love it with address labels, product labels, sticker sheets, and more. It really helps any label or sticker stand out. Foiling can be done in just a few easy steps. Here's how to get started with your Heidi Swap Minc. First, create your design in the program of your choice. We'll be using a pre-designed template within Maestro Label Designer. Next, print your design on your laser printer on whatever material you chose. We used our clear gloss laser printable material. You can choose to run your printed sticker sheet through your electronic cutting machine now or save it until after the foiling process. Depending on your design, you may want to cut your foil down to size. We are using a full sheet design, so that's not necessary. The next step involves placing your foil material on top of your sticker sheet. Make sure you place it shiny side up and then add a piece of washi tape or another low-tack adhesive to keep it in place during the foiling process. Now you're ready to begin foiling. Go ahead and turn on your Minc, put it on the right setting, and give it time to heat up. While that's happening, grab your protective folder and place your foil and sticker sheet inside. Once it's preheated, oh, look at that. Go ahead and feed it in so it can run through. Once it comes out of the Minc, go ahead and set it aside for a few minutes to cool. Then take it out of the envelope, and we'll begin to remove the foil sheet from the stickers. Once you've taken off all the tape, go ahead and start from the top left corner and pull down. And that about completes your foiled sticker sheet. For more tutorials, heat settings, and project ideas, click on the link in the description. We also cover the foil quill for your electronic cutting machine.